How to cancel Spotify premium subscription. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can cancel Spotify premium subscription. To cancel your Spotify premium subscription, first of all, you will need to open your Spotify application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you will land on this home page. Here at the top left, you will be able to find your profile icon. Tap on your profile icon and this will open a side menu. Here you will be able to see settings and privacy option. Tap on this option and now you will reach to this page. Here I haven't subscribed any plan, so I'm not able to see any plan here. But if you have subscribed to any of free or premium account, here you'll be able to see premium plan option just below account option. You simply need to tap on that option and after that in the next page, you will need to tap on see available plans. After that, you'll be prompted to select your current plan and once you select it, in the next page, you will need to scroll down, go through all the information and at the very bottom, you'll be able to find cancel plan option. You simply need to tap on cancel plan and again you will need to tap on cancel premium option. Once you have selected cancel premium, now you will need to follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation by selecting yes cancel. You'll also select the region where you are leaving Spotify and go through the survey process. After that, submit it and then you will see you have cancelled your Spotify premium subscription. So, by following the steps, you should be able to cancel Spotify premium subscription. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.